Hello everyone and welcome to Learning with a Difference. Here I brought today's news headlines for school morning assembly. Padma Shri awardee and teacher Nanda Prusty was admitted to a hospital in Odisha's Jajpur district on Monday. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami on Monday chaired a high-level meeting on the new COVID-19 variant Omicron in Dehradun. Mumbai reported 115 fresh cases of coronavirus along with 4 COVID-19 deaths on Monday. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will be on a 3-day visit to Mumbai from November 30. Red light on. Gadi of campaign extended till December 18 in Delhi, says Minister Gopal Rai. Chief Minister Yogi blesses 2,503 couples who tie the knot of Samuhik Vivah. Now some international news. US President Joe Biden called the new COVID-19 variant Omicron a cause for concern, but not a cause for panic. The United Kingdom has extended the COVID-19 vaccine booster program to all adults. Pentagon plans stronger US military posture towards China, Russia. Now some sports news. Feels absolutely nothing at all. Ashwin, after becoming India's third highest wicket taker. Shreyas becomes 7th Indian to win Man of the Match award on Test debut in Kanpur. And that's all. These were today's news headlines. Thank you and have a nice day.